Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a question that's often asked by investors. How much do I need to invest to earn $100 a month in dividend income? Dividend income can be a great way to generate passive cash flow, so let's dive right into it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still.
Before we start crunching the numbers, let's briefly explain what dividends are for those who might be new to investing. Dividends are regular payments made by companies to their shareholders as a portion of their profits. It's like getting a slice of the company's earnings for being a part owner. Now, the amount of dividend income you receive depends on two key factors: the dividend yield and the amount you invest in. The dividend yield is expressed as a percentage and represents the annual dividend payments divided by the stock price. So if a stock has a 4% dividend yield, that means you'll receive $4 in dividends for every $100 invested. To determine how much you need to invest to earn $100 a month, we need to find stocks or funds with attractive dividend yields. Let's consider a hypothetical scenario using a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks and ETFs. First, let's start with dividend stocks. On average, high quality dividend paying stocks yields around 3 to 4%. However, keep in mind that dividend yields can vary significantly across different industries and companies. For this example, let's assume a conservative average dividend yield of 3.5%. To calculate the investment required, we need to divide the desired monthly income of $100 by the average dividend yield of 3.5%. So, $100 divided by 0.035 equals approximately $2,857.14. This means you will need to invest around $2,857 to generate $100 in monthly dividend income. Now, let's consider dividend focused exchange traded funds, or ETFs. These funds are designed to track a basket of dividend paying stocks, providing diversification and potentially higher yields. Some popular dividend ETFs offer yields ranging from 2.5% to 5%, depending on their investment strategy, of course. Assuming a conservative average dividend yield of 3.5% for dividend ETFs, we can apply the same formula. Again, $100 divided by 0.035 equals approximately $2,857.14. So, regardless of whether you choose individual stocks or dividend ETFs, you would need to invest around, about $2,900 to earn $100 a month in dividend income. Now, keep in mind that this is a simplified example, and real world results may vary. Dividends are not guaranteed, and companies can reduce or eliminate their dividends based on various factors, of course. Additionally, stock prices can fluctuate, impacting the overall return on investments. Another important consideration is taxes. Dividend income is generally subject to taxation, so it's essential to account for any applicable tax obligations when calculating your net earnings. Lastly, it's crucial to mention that dividend investing should be seen as a long term strategy. Building a portfolio of dividend paying stocks or ETFs takes time, and it's important to consider the overall financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. That wraps up today's video on how much you need to invest to earn $100 a month in dividend income. Remember to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor to tailor your investment strategies to your individual needs and circumstances. But if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more investment tips and strategies. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.